Victoria's Secret by JAX. This is a beautiful song with a wonderful message, and you'll need chords F, A minor, B flat, and C. If you find B flat really challenging, that just means that your hand needs to gain a little bit of strength. So the best way to do that is to try and play it more often. You can actually try and play it further down, like try that position and then work your way backward, and you'll find some progress. If you're a little bit more advanced, then I want to challenge you to do B flat and then slide down 2 frets for the C. So that'll sound really cool. So let's try just doing down, down, wait, down, down, wait. You can stop the strings with this hand. So let's try it for all of our chords so far. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, and stop. Down, down, and stop. Down, down, and stop. Down, down, and stop. Let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, stop. Down, down, stop. Down, down, stop. Down, down, stop. If you can do this, you can do most of the song already. Now when you're on your F chord, if you pick on string E, that's going to be your singing note. God, I wish, God, I wish, God, I wish somebody would have told me when. Okay, so let's try it with a little bit of the words already. 1, 2, ready, go. God, I wish somebody would have told me when I was younger. Not all bodies are the same. Top skinny ridiculous on magazine covers. Told me I was overweight. Stop eating, what a bummer. Have carbs in the hardcore summer. Now the last part of the verse is a little bit different in that we are not going to do C chord at all. So it'll sound like this. If I could go back and tell myself when I was younger, I'd say, psst. And then we go into the chorus. So let's try to do the entire verse. By the way, the strumming, where we're doing this strum, strum, stop, it's just a suggestion. If you actually like just a single strum, God, I wish somebody would have told me when I was younger, that works too, and it's simpler as well. So do a version that you enjoy, and let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. God, I wish somebody would have told me when I was younger. Not all bodies are the same. Photoshop, itty bitty models, magazine covers. Told me I was overweight. I stopped eating. That bummer. Can't have carbs in the hardcore summer. I could go back and tell myself when I was younger, I'd say, psst. Now let's learn the chorus. Now for the chorus, we want to have more emotion, more movement, more excitement. So the strumming pattern that I'm doing is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. By the way, if I'm going a little too fast, you can change the speed of this tutorial. Here on YouTube, there's like a gear icon, and when you select playback speed, you can make that slower or faster. So again, the strumming pattern is 1, 2, ready, go. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Keep going. Down, 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 or slide, up to you. Down, 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 down. Keep going. I know Victoria's Secret. Girl, you wouldn't believe she's in all that I Okay, so the part that says skin and bones is still in the B flat, but wait. The next chord is the B flat major 7. So just where you're at on the B flat chord, you're gonna lift up the index finger. So before it was holding down 2 strings, right? It was holding down your A and your E. Now it's just gonna hold down the E, and you're gonna leave A string open. So it's fret 3, fret 2, fret 1. Okay, so let's try that chord progression starting on cashing it. 1, 2, you can do it. Ready, go. Nobody issues, skin and bones, big boobs. If that chord feels a little weird to you, it's because it is a weird chord. Okay, so let's do the chorus up to that point, up to the B flat major 7. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Now, going with the strum if you like. Then the next part is I know Victoria's Secret. She was. So we have the F is normal, the A minor is normal, and then we have a B flat. I'm just gonna do down down because then we have Made Up by a Dude, and it's made up by a dude. She was made up by a dude. When you get to the F, you can do the normal strumming pattern that we've been doing. Down, 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 up, and give it to me one more time. Down, 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 down. So it'll sound like this. She was made up by a dude. Next, we have that B flat again. And then Victoria, and then again, was made up by a dude. All together so that you can get a feel for it. I know Victoria's Secret. She was made up by a dude. Victoria was made up by a dude. So let's put the whole chorus together now. 1, 2, ready, go. So now you know everything you need to be able to play Victoria's Secret by JAX. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like button. Now I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Enya Music. I've been playing an Enya ukulele for this tutorial and it sounds amazing. I love this ukulele because it's made of carbon fiber and it sounds so good. So carbon fiber is different than wood in that you can travel, you can fly, you can go from like a humid place to a dry place, to a cold place, to a hot place, and it's not going to affect the instrument the way that a normal wood ukulele would be affected. So I love having a carbon fiber ukulele in my collection because I can travel with it and I'm not concerned. The other thing is that I like having very clean things. So whenever I loan out an instrument, the person just sneezed and kept playing, I'm focusing on the fact that they sneezed and touched my instrument. So carbon fiber ukulele is the kind that you can wipe and clean and it's not affected like a normal wood ukulele. So I'm going to link this down below. Make sure and check them out. I really love them. Many of you have this ukulele and you love it as well. But if you're more of a wooden instrument type of person, they do have wooden ukuleles in their collection and they're beautiful, gorgeous. They play amazingly well. And actually I have one right here. This is my solid mahogany ukulele from the same brand, Enya, and it has beautiful cherry blossom. I'll link this one up down below as well too, because I really love this one. It's a gorgeous ukulele with fluorocarbon strings. It just sounds beautiful. So yeah, check them out. And yeah, let me know if there's another song that you would like to hear. And I hope to see you again soon. All right, come back. All right, take care. Bye.